Okay, a follow-up to my previous video, but this is how to use Imgur in the UK. So a little guide to what's happening and how you can completely ignore all the restrictions that are going on. So why is Imgur blocked in the UK? Well, the end of last month, September 30th, in fact, 2025, Imgur has blocked access for all UK users, stopping them logging in, viewing content or uploading images. What happens? Go to the Imgur site and you'll get this message. And you can't really do anything apart from you can go in and delete your account, or you can get a downloadable file of all your images, which is probably useful if you've been using it as a photo album or for years and years. And you've noticed all your really cool forum posts have now got blocked links. And yeah, that's basically all you can do. What it's doing is looking up your IP address and blocking there. Why? Well, it's a couple of things, really. There was an investigation, the UK's Information Commissioner's Office, ICO, was put an investigation into Imgur's handling of children's data. It's used by a lot of youngsters, and the UK has put in new practices to protect children. So there was some compliance concerns there. It's also linked with something called the Online Safety Act, which came into force in end of August, September 2025 as well. There's some big financial penalties which were not levied but were threatened or possibly going to happen to Imgur's parent company Media Lab for failing to comply with all these UK data protection laws and the safeguarding requirements. Whether that would happen, I don't know. Imgur or Media Lab preempted this and just decided to cut themselves out of the UK market, which unfortunately we're seeing a lot. We're protecting our children, but making the internet smaller and smaller and smaller. And to be honest, it's a lot of the good, responsible stuff that is leaving because the rubbish stuff hosted in a web server in a basement in Albania doesn't care. So, you know, who knows? Commercial decision anyway. Imgur's UK exit was by the company and it wasn't the government, and they were quite forceful in stressing that. So what does it mean if you're an Imgur UK user? Well, that's the what you'll see. Content not available. Spent a lot of money on that error message, haven't they? So Imgur images as well. You won't be able to access the site. Obviously, you won't be able to download your images individually, although you can go through to that request site. I'm not sure how that happens. You'll get broken image links if you posted it on forums and websites and stuff like that. For UK visitors, if you leave your images up there, people from non-UK will not be affected, so you'll have to decide whether that's worth it. So lots of broken image links. UK users cannot create new accounts or access existing profiles. You can request a copy of your personal data, delete existing accounts. Lots of the other Media Labs services, for some reason, Kick Messenger, if you use that, work perfectly well. Nobody's done anything. So what can you do? How can you access it if you are in the UK? Well, let me just show you. If you want to carry on using Imgur, and lots of other sites that will get blocked, use a VPN. Now I'm going to show you NordVPN. There's a description, a discount link in the description below where you'll get whopping 70-odd%. You'll get the best discount that's available anyway if you want to use a VPN. Now VPN is a virtual private network and allows you to hide your location. So without going into the technical details, let me just show you. This is the Chrome extension. Now it's free. It's a different way of using NordVPN, and you can see it sits in my Chrome browser. It'll only affect my Chrome connection here. If you use the full program, it's all the same price, but this is just like an add-on that you can use. If you use the full program, it'll protect everything and relay your entire connection, email, applications, stuff like that. But if you just want the browser, you can go and connect to, say, a French server. Anywhere in the EU is probably sensible if you're in the UK. So now I've got a French IP address who haven't got all these stupid restrictions, and Imgur still works there. So let me just refresh the page, and voila, now it works perfectly well. What have I got there? So this is Imgur, and it sees that I've got a French IP address, and it works perfectly well. So I can disconnect that when I've finished and carry on using other sites. Remember, when you're connected to a French server, British-only sites won't work. So, for instance, if I went to BBC iPlayer now, BBC iPlayer wouldn't work until I disconnected the VPN. So that's something to bear in mind, that the internet is getting all confusing and complicated. A VPN, you can bypass all the blocks anyway, so use a VPN. I think anyone will do. I mean, I recommend Nord because it's easy and it's well, cheap. But I think most VPNs will use. I don't think Imgur have put anything really nasty to block VPNs at the moment, so you can probably use anything. You'll be able to access, you can, if you don't want a VPN, you can probably access archived content on things like the Wayback Machine or cached versions of forums. Probably only feasible if you're just after a single image or something like that. There are alternatives. Once you've got you could download your full images from Imgur and put it on somewhere else. There's things like ImageBB, Post Images, Flickr. Instagram's kind of similar as well. You can upload, store and share your images there. At the moment, they all work with full UK accessibility, but please be aware that it's very possible that a lot of these sites will block UK access as well, because the Online Safety Act there's a lot of fines that can come up. So I am certain other sites will follow Imgur's decision to restrict the UK access, but we'll have to see on that. Stay subscribed to my channel and you will find out. So stay informed here. Basically monitor the developments. You could move all your images to another site and they get blocked there. So it's a pain, but VPN is becoming increasingly more essential in nowadays, because otherwise the internet is blocked and archived and banned. It's getting beyond a joke in the UK. Feels like we're in North Korea sometimes. So hopefully that will change shortly. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.